Bigtasties video. We are still in France for this video. Are you even recording?
Yes.
So today we're at the Valley of the Monkeys. Wow. We're going to see some very cool monkeys and apes and other species of that caliber. We are apes, Ben.
Yeah, we are. We are the biggest apes.
We're not the biggest apes. There are bigger apes than us.
But obviously that.
Well, I'm sorry. If anyone's watching this video thinking we're going to go face to face with a gorilla, then you're stupid.
Monkeys.
Monkey man, I'm the somebody. Kill you!
Cool, there's one there.
Oh wait, there's one there. Monkey.
Isaac, it's you.
It's not me. I'm big and strong and tasty. That's the name of the channel, guys. If you like that joke, don't forget to like. Got a monkey. See that? That's a monkey.
Cappuccino.
Monkeys are all around us.
Hi guys, we're back with your favourite segment, the drink of the day. We have Orangina. It's not, it's water in an Orangina bottle, a classic French delicacy.
The Orangina's quite big. How tasty is it?
This tastes incredible. Lee bad. This sucks, you suck, don't buy it. Subscribe.
Isaac, speak to your cousin.
The alpha. I'll challenge him for alpha status.
That's a cold.
Policy.
Hey little. They're just chilling. Look at that one. Chop, chop.
Both of you to just shush and stop saying things.
Oh my god. They're scrapping. He's got his wise beard. Mate. This is a chill guy. Oh my god, that's sick. Amazing that that's a monkey.
That's why they've locked it. They're scared of me. Head off my power.
Shut up, Ela.
Yeah, come closer. Let me fight you.
We're gonna get right up to the goats, aren't we? Let's just chill around the goats. Oh.
You look me dead in the eyes and, hey Ben, if you still believe in the goats, get on your hands and knees and go for a...
Do you reckon one of these is a devil? Like the devil's a goat, isn't it?
The devil is alive.
These other girls can't compete with mine. Wow, look at him. He's just chilling. So he is also chilling. Isaac, do you like baby peacocks? Damn, that does look good, doesn't it? Price right. Nice. Now, who wants some grass? You want some grass, mister? Wow, freaking hell, look at that tongue. You'll be giving the good hawk tour.
Fuck you, bitch! Shut the
You ate that up. Ate that up, girl.
fuck up, bitch! Back the fuck up!
Those ones don't like me. Oh, frick off 67, you fat pig. Obrero. Fucking hell. You got one more. Who wants it? Good on you. 6. I ain't seen you getting any of the action. Frick off 59, you fat one. Well, you were over there earlier.
Oh, you're close. Oh!
Here comes 66. Oh, you want it? Oh! Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
God, look what you've done. You're a pink pony girl. And you dance at the club. Rawr.
Oh,
Big Tasty viewers, I'm in a cold pool. I do this. This is one of the steps of how to achieve my build. Now, we have a video coming on how to achieve the Big Tasty build. So drop a like, share, and comment to your friends if you want to see that. We're in France still. I don't know if we've done much this vlog, to be honest. It's we kind of forgot about the vlog a little bit. We've been kind of just enjoying ourselves, our little vacation.
How about me, Jack? Jack? No, Jack.
We've got a child bothering us right now. As I say, we're with him on my family. It's genuinely, we didn't rob a bank, guys. Sorry to disappoint you. We're here on a family vacation, and I brought Benjamin Games a lot with us because he enjoys it. He loves the family. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to join Team TDM for daily Minecraft videos. It's the last night we're in France. We are leaving tomorrow. This will be the end of the France vlog. I might have recorded a bit of us going home, but this is the outro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We fled the country, we went to France. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that.
You said something, isn't it?
I was letting Billy Joel finish me off.